Alright, today we're going to check out Junior doing some custom work, and also this is a Dodge we're working on. Came out really good, but what I want to explain to you is all the stuff that he's doing right now that you're about to look at. So this is the fabrication process. This is him, you know, doing his thing. Check out how he works. He's going to be doing upholstery. He's going to be doing all kinds of things. So just watch and sit here and enjoy. Okay, so you guys saw all that wrapping he did. Now he's just cleaning up some other stuff. What's this for?
This is to grab all the LEDs in the car for the full setup and port to light up.
Oh, that's a template?
No, this is that. We're about to give it a offset. But the CNC would take too long to do this, so I did it by hand.
Nice. Alright, let's check out his progress. Oh, oh, damn, this thing's looking sicker and sicker. We should have sold him a jail setup so we could put out just take over jail's page. I just posted the Lambo right now, you see it? So I'm liking the way this thing's coming out. So there's at least gonna be, there was at least probably 3 minutes of time lapse. Is that too much?
No. Well, 3 full minutes.
Probably.
Yeah, I think that's too much.
But you know what? Jack's in the building. Look at him sand, bro. Are you tired of sanding, bro? You're like, I think you're not really that much time lapse sanding. Let me start some.
Bro, you're the strongest hand, bro.
Dang, Lewis, took it off already?
He's gonna upholster it right
Are you
now,
gonna upholster it, wait? Make sure you put the stitching in it. This thing's looking good, hey. This is looking good, huh?
They don't know how to.
Oh, that looks Miller.
You have to put, man. Let me go get my camera that I left over here. Cool. Look at Lewis got some little project. Lewis, you gonna do this or what? Okay, this is the plan with this truck right here. We got a JL Audio 1000/1. We got 2 amplifiers, dual 2 ohm each. We're gonna put them down to 1 and 1, and then it's gonna be 2 ohms. Bam! So we get a lot of power. There's a JD 404 that's gonna be going in here, but I don't have it. I'll have it tomorrow. This car is not gonna finish today. It's midday. Unless you're gonna finish today, right? Are you?
We're putting 2 amps?
Yeah, 1 for bass, 1 for highs.
Oh, I thought.
Okay, and we're gonna also check out this light bar installation. It wasn't done by us, but we're gonna have to redo it. Okay, we're gonna put a different light bar in and swap it out, and then run the wires to the front to get the cables going. Also, these are the speakers we're gonna go with. This is what I've been talking about for people to do a long time. It's called Pro Audio. So we're gonna put these big ass 6s mid ranges in the front. I'll put these ST1 tweeters in the above it, which is right here. Watch. So speaker and tweeter.
Somewhere on the scene, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. There's still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the safest bet.
Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be doing the subwoofers and the Alpine Type R's. They're gonna be putting them in the box right here for the Chevy Silverado. This box is custom. It's the only box that I know that has a port, which is ported for the woofers to bang. So this is the woofer from the Alpine Type R. Look at how big it is. It's massive, isn't it?
Yep.
This thing is huge. I mean, look at that on it, man. This is really one of the only woofers that I know that can hit that hard and can take a beating.
Yeah.
It's it's crazy. 10 inches, baby. So this is what we're gonna be putting in there. Some Type S in the back. They come with this little plate because the original speaker is a 4x6. I don't know if you can tell, but you see
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
Oi. Oi. This is the original. This is what we're gonna be putting. See how it matches the plate? Cool. Tacarisi, guys. We'll watch them continue as we continue in this moment.
The rules in my mind can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying to get reason right. Let's take our time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please, we know.
All right, so there you go. The subwoofer box is in. Look at that port. Did I tell you about a port? It's right there. Man, oh man, this thing looks nice. This thing's gonna hit. It's holding 2 Type R subwoofers, 10 inches. But I don't know where the seat's gonna be, like right here, man. That's crazy. Cool. You ready, dude?
Reason right. Let's take our time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please, we know, 'cause we're about to lose, whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. Sometimes, honey, me, you put a little bit of gasoline.
Thanks for watching the YouTube channel. That's the end of it. Listen, comment, like, subscribe, and shout out to all my people who've been following me. Sorry I didn't post no videos. It's Thomas's fault. That man right there doesn't let me do my videos.